Welcome back YouTube, this is the boss Rizv, and today I'll be presenting an unveiling of my Stage 3 carbon fiber aero kit on my Corvette Zo6. If you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Alright, forgot to mention, it comes with a instruction manual for installation. A few screws and stuff inside. Here you have it. This is the front splitter. As you can see, the holes, they're pre-drilled. We might need to do some additional drilling. Alright family, let's go ahead and unbox the Extreme Online Store front splitter winglets. This is the front splitter. This looks like it would be on the passenger side. This part here connects to the front splitter itself. This part back here is in the fender, behind the fender in the wheel well. And its direct installation is going to be easy. You know, I want to give a lot of love to these guys. Remember, this is not them. They're not asking for any of this. It's nice to see a body kit come with good installation instructions and hardware and pre-drilled holes. You know, when you're gonna spend $1,500 on a body kit that is not OEM, it's good to see that the aftermarket has good support, and this seems like a very reputable company, and it's not bad. Two pieces of carbon fiber, pre-drilled side slits. You see it? Alright, both right and left piece, wrapped in some nice padding. It's not bad. The pre-drilled holes really help. I really didn't want to drill into carbon fiber like that. It seems very delicate. Alright guys, so the actual installation was not that difficult, but I feel you have to raise the car. So here we had to bring it to my friend's body shop, my friend Rossi here in Orlando, Florida. Helped me out, giving me space. So once the car was raised, we used the original holes provided in the template of the side skirt to go ahead and install using double-sided tape as another aspect of support. As you can see here, in my honest opinion, the Corvette needs the Stage 3 front lip kit. It just makes it wider, more aggressive looking, and really brings out its true curves.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone.
Well, there you have it. Delivered as promised, the Stage 3 aero kit for the Corvette Zo6. This kit was in carbon fiber. I truly enjoyed the install. It wasn't that difficult, 2 hours max, but I did have to drill on the side of the car. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.